Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to create these 5 different styles of paper quilling earrings for Independence Day using tricolors, and I'm sure you will have fun making this and learning this. All 5 are having different patterns. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. I'm starting with my first earring. For this I am taking one strip of white color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. For all the earrings I am using 3 mm strips only. So tight coil is ready. Now I am taking my quilling mold and just shaping it like a dome. Filling the dome using liquid glue and spreading it with brush. Allow it to dry completely. So it's done. Similarly, I have prepared one in green and one in orange color with same procedure. Now here I am taking one silver color T-pin, passing it from the backside of green color dome. Then passing one 5 mm white color pearl. Then passing from white dome, again adding one pearl. Then adding last orange color dome. Pulling the needle from top and just twisting it using my plier and creating the loop. Like this. Super easy. Now I am just passing one silver color earring hook from this and then tightening the hook. And the earring is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. So I'm starting with my next one. For this I'm taking my pencil and wrapping one strip of green color, one strip of white color and half strip of orange color around this and making one big ring. So ring is ready. Then adding little glue in the bottom part of this ring and I'm going to attach some tight coils. So here I'm adding this orange tight coil which is made using one strip. Then on left and right sides I am adding white color tight coils which are made using half strips. And then in the corners I am adding two small tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip of light green color. Then adding lots of glue on top of this, spreading it using brush and allow it to dry to make it hard and sturdy. Like this. Then while the glue is wet, I'm just decorating these bottom tight coils using some silver color stones, small size stones. Then I'm taking 1/4 strip of white color and making one tight coil. Passing one golden color jump ring through this tight coil, adding one golden earring hook and just tightening the jump ring. Then taking back this earring, adding little glue and sticking both the parts like this. Hold it for a few minutes. So it's dried and the earring is also ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. It's looking very beautiful. Now I am proceeding for the third earring. Here I am taking 1/4 strip of green color, half strip of white color and 1 strip of orange color and creating one tight coil. While the orange strip is remaining little bit, I am just removing my tool and passing one silver color jump ring through this. And then each time while wrapping the remaining strip, you have to pass the strip via silver jump ring. So just finishing this till the end. And this is done. Then I am taking half strip of orange color and making one tight coil. Then passing the pencil through this and creating one small cone shape, passing one silver eye pin, add little glue inside the cone, also taking the previous tight coil and spreading the glue using brush. Allow it to dry completely. Now taking back the cone which is completely dried and just trimming out excess wire, twisting it using plier and creating the loop. In the same way, I have prepared 2 more cones with the same method using green and white color strips. Then taking back my tight coil, opening the jump ring and passing all these 3 cones through this. Tightening the jump ring and this is done. Now taking one strong adhesive, adding a small dot on top of this tight coil and attaching this golden earring stud. It dries very quickly and the super cute tricolor earring is also done, adding the knob from backside. And similarly I have created one more. So the beautiful jhumka pattern is ready. Now I'm proceeding for my fourth design. For this I am taking 1 strip of green color, 1.5 strip of white color and 2 strips of orange color and making one tight dome shape. like this. Then taking one strip of green color and making one tight coil. Around this tight coil I am going to add some orange color tight coils, which are made using 1/4 strips. Adding glue on these tight coils as well to make it sturdy. Then the dome is completely dried. I am passing one gold color T-pin through this, cutting the excess wire, making the loop. Opening golden jump ring, passing through this loop and also passing through one of the tight coils. Just tightening it, and this is done. Now again on back side of this I am adding strong adhesive and sticking the golden stud. And the super cute tri-colored jhumka is ready. It's looking very pretty. I have already prepared one more. And just to decorate the center part of green tight coil, I am adding one small silver stone on both the jhumkas. And this is done. Now I am proceeding to the last but not the least, fifth earring. For this I am taking half strip of orange color, half strip of white color and one strip of green color, making one tight coil dome. Then I am taking two strips of orange color and making one big tight coil. Then on bottom of this I am adding some tight coils. For this I am taking half strip of green color and making one small tight coil. Similarly I have prepared one more. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color and making a smallest tight coil. Similarly I have prepared one more smallest tight coil. And then I have already created one big tight coil which is made using one strip of light green color. Now I am just adhering these tight coils in bottom part of this big orange coil. This is done. Now I am just adding lots of glue on this, spreading it using brush and allow it to dry. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and making one tight coil and just passing one jump ring and hook through this and sticking with my base. Then taking back the jhumka, passing one T-pin through this, cutting the excess wire, creating the loop and connecting with my earring base using silver jump ring. And the gorgeous jhumka cum earring is ready. Now I'm just decorating the center part of this using golden color stone from both the sides. And very pretty, beautiful jhumkas are ready. So all my 5 different designs are ready. Just make it quickly before the Independence Day and flaunt these beautiful earrings. And with the same procedure, you can create all these beautiful earrings using different color combinations according to your color of dresses. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.